welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically record your voice in CapCut PC. It is pretty simple to do. Don't click on anything, just go into your project and select the microphone button like so. You can adjust the volume here as well of your audio if it isn't loud enough. Select the correct input device, my one which would be this one, sorry. You can also enable echo reduction and mute the project as well, so that when you see it play here, you can record and you can see without hearing any audio. And once you're ready, you're just going to select this red button, 3, 2, 1, and it will now start recording your voice. Once you're done, you're just going to select this to end the recording as well. But that is it. You can change the voice, add in some voice characters, whatever. You can also speed it up or slow it down. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!